Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing some summer decorating ideas, and you guys are going to come along and decorate with me as I take you throughout my main living area and just put up all of our summer decor. I'm so excited that summer is finally here, and I'm so excited to share this video with you. And this video is also really special because it's in collaboration with my friend Jessica from her channel Jessie Christine. She is a mom of 2 little girls, and she is one of my sweet friends. I know that you guys are going to love her videos, so be sure to go check her out. She is actually going to be sharing a summer clean with me. She has some amazing cleaning motivation videos. So as soon as you are done watching this video, you can get some fun decorating ideas from me, and then head on over to Jessica's channel and you can get some amazing cleaning motivation from her. And when you head over there, be sure to leave her a comment just letting her know that Amanda sent you, and let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so the first thing I've done is just laid out all of our summer decor. Some of these items are new this year, and then some are items that we've gotten in the past. And a lot of the items that I did purchase this year were on sale. I am kind of a sucker for deals, and I really don't like paying full price for just about anything. So a lot of the items were on clearance, or they were on sale, or I used a coupon. But I will try and link down below where I got everything. And if you do have any questions, then go ahead and ask in the comments. The next thing I'm doing is just putting up this faux cake. One of my friends over on Instagram actually has a tutorial on how to make this cake, but I will link her Instagram post down below in case if you're wanting to make this one. And I love that it looks like we have a sweet treat sitting on our counter all the time, but there's no temptation with this one. Adding a seasonal towel to your dishwasher or your oven really adds a lot to the space without breaking the bank, and also it's just super simple and you can completely customize it to your taste.
When we are together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear them talking so far away from the truth. You and me won't take notice of any smooth talk or bad vibes.
Whenever I decorate letterboards, I feel like it takes me so long because I'm constantly moving the letters around, and while this only looks like it took me about a minute or two, it actually took me at least 10 minutes to get it all right and to pick out all the letters. But I love how it turned out. And I do get a lot of questions about where I got my letterboard and where I get these letters from. And the letterboard I got on Amazon, I will link it down below. And then these letterboards are from a little Etsy shop called Words with Means. I do have a coupon code from them. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead down into the description box and use that coupon code and order some Rae Dunn letters for yourself. Another really easy and affordable way to add in some decor into your living space is by adding a seasonal table runner. This is one that I saw at Big Lots and it completely caught my eye and I just fell in love with it. I love the bright yellow in it, and as you'll be able to see, I am incorporating a lot of greenery and a lot of blues and yellows into my decor for summer this year, and I felt like this one just matched so perfectly. Another tip that I have is to find pillows with pillow inserts. I have had the hardest time finding pillow inserts lately, and I finally found these ones, and all 5 of these pillows have amazing inserts inside, so I can now just be able to go ahead and buy some pillow covers, and I won't have to be storing a bunch of extra pillows anymore. I can just use the ones I have, and that's amazing because for one, pillows take up a lot of space, and 2, they are a lot more affordable if you just have to buy the cover.
That maybe he ain't worth it.
I love these custom designed signs. They are just so adorable.
'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect.
Moving on to our fireplace mantle, this is always one of my favorite places to decorate. So as you'll see here, I'm just going to be redecorating a few of the things that I already had on here and just decorating them in different ways. I feel like a lot of times you don't really need to get a lot of new items. You can just switch things up and add a few pops of color for that season or add a few new items, and it really does transform your whole space. So this is exactly what I wanted to do on my mantle. And one tip for decorating a mantle is you really want to have a centerpiece. You want it to be pretty large, and that way it's just a focal point of your mantle. And then you want to add some height on each side. And then in between all of that, you can just add a few little fillers. And that's kind of how I go about decorating my mantle. There are a few different ways to do this, but that's always the way that I go for. So if you're feeling stuck, try that out, and I bet that you will love it. Moving on to our TV stand, I do get a ton of questions about where we got our actual TV stand from, and I got it from HomeGoods, and I absolutely love how it looks. And on top, I'm really just adding a few small little pieces to kind of make this look a little bit more summery, and everything else I'm just kind of moving around to fit the new items. So I just like to start out in one room and decorate that room, and then I will move on to another room, and that way I feel like I can pull together an entire room without making it feel so cluttered, and I kind of know how it's going to end up turning out. Moving into my office, I really didn't do too much in here, but again, I just kind of freshened up the space by moving things around and adding just a few new pieces of decor. It really is amazing what a big difference that will make. And like I said, I will be trying to link a few of the new items that I found this year. But if you have a question about something and where I got it, you can ask me in the comments. And also let me know if you guys would like a summer home tour. I would be happy to film that for you guys if you are interested. And then if I do that home tour, I can go ahead and take a little bit more time and share exactly where I got each item and where they are from. So just let me know if that's something that interests you down in the comments. Moving upstairs, we have this little bookshelf right next to the toy room, and this is the area that I really kind of decorate for the kids. So I wanted to add in this Hello Summer sign that I helped design with my friend, and she makes them in her Etsy shop. I just thought this was so fun and so bright, and I felt like it would be perfect up in the kids area. But like I said, I will link her shop down below along with a coupon code she gave me to share with you guys. So if you guys love this Hello Summer sign as much as I do, then definitely grab one because it is even more adorable in person, and I just love it. Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these decorating ideas and coming along and decorating with me. I always love sharing these videos with you guys, and I hope that this gave you a ton of new ideas on how you can decorate your own home for summer. Don't forget to let me know if you guys want to see that summer home tour because like I said, I would be very happy to go ahead and film that for you. And I also wanted to let you guys know that my friend Jessica and I are going to be sharing over on IGTV some fun summer ideas that you can do with your kids this summer. As I said earlier, she has 2 girls and I have my 3 boys, so we were both sharing some different ideas. So be sure to go check out those videos. I will link them down below, and you do not even have to have an Instagram account to watch. You can just click that link and be able to watch that video. But before you head over there, be sure to go watch Jessica's video. Like I said, she is doing a summer clean with me, and she is going to be sharing some extreme cleaning motivation over on her channel. It always means so much when you guys go over to my friends' channels and check them out and leave them a comment just letting them know I sent you. So if you guys would do that, I would be so grateful. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! A little bit. And can you see this part still?
Well, you're cut off. Do you want me to see you or the thing?
Let me see. Keep it right here on me. a little bit. Right, so, and then I'm basically just going to go like this and then just kind of like picture up here. So will you be able to get me and the wreath in here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so just take me right here then. Okay, so sorry, you have to do it when I'm ready. Okay, ready? Okay,
1, 2, 3. Hut, hut, hut.
Okay. Go
Hike.
Okay, go ahead.
Hike.
I'm ready when you're ready. Okay. Tell me when you're can for the cake.
Okay. All right.
Just say starting.
That's starting.
There's something about you, and even though I know it breaks me down, 'cause you're a way to good for me. Yeah, that I'm feeling more the less I try. There's something about you. You can touch the sky while I am stuck here on the ground. But truly I don't mind, 'cause I got the love it takes to pull you down.